Today is a fantastic day for our university as we celebrate the opening of our brand new clean room at the new Center for Nanoscience and Nanotechnology, the Fred and MIRTHA, Chaoul and Family Center for Nano-Scale Systems. Your continuous dedication to strengthening our university and our country is inspiring.
Fred's continued support for the discipline has played a central role in Tao's vision of forging a leading nano research hub in Israel. So for more than 30 years, Fred's generous support of Tel Aviv University and the university's Argentinian friends has provided a significant boost for Israeli academia, science and technology.
To Tel Aviv University, I'm grateful for allowing me 17 years ago to learn a bit about nano. I believe the largest and most important nano center in Israel, and probably one of the best ones in the world, is the building that we're sitting in now. I'm sure we should continue growing and overcome the difficult times that we are going through today.
It's been a long journey, an amazing journey.
Fred has been a true friend, so I truly believe that together, many people, we have created a legacy of collaboration, innovation, and excellence